I'm O's Perlman, this is Colossal Blizzard. Turn it over. So intriguing. You have a deck of cards. No deck switch. I want to put that out front. The same 52 cards are in play the whole time. You have somebody think of a card. You take a card out of the deck, you put it down in their hands, you tell them that's their card. So what? That's not that amazing. But wait, the other cards, they're all blank.
How did you do that?
This is going to blow their mind. They turn over their card. It's the only printed one, the one they were thinking of. You never go in your pockets. There's no trick devices. There's no gimmicks whatsoever. Turn that over.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
All except for one. All except for something you're holding. Turn that one over. Take a look.
Damn, that's a trip. Gosh, that's a mess.
Is she good?
That's good.
I'm O's Perlman. This is Colossal Blizzard. Turn it over. That's the only card in the deck.